Hello, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
I'm great.
Good. It's nice to see you.
Same here.
So, how was your day today?
Uh, it was good. Most of the time I spent doing home chores.
Okay, good. Well, that is a productive day at least.
Yes, you can say.
Good. Do you think that you have enough free time in your life?
Nowadays I have a plenty of time.
Yeah?
Previously I didn't have. Yes.
So, do you think you
Nowadays,
have too much now?
uh, yes, sometimes I think that there is plenty of time and I'm confused. What should I do?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, what are some things that you usually do during your free time?
I usually try to engage myself in different activities.
Hmm.
So I cook and I learn different languages
Yeah.
and I practice my English
Hmm.
with my colleagues.
Good.
That's all.
So, you said you learned multiple different languages. What are some other ones that you're learning?
Arabic,
Okay. Nice.
only Arabic.
Good. That's a lot still, three languages. So,
Yes.
do you prefer speaking Arabic or English?
Uh, in Arabic, I'm not on that level that I can have a conversation
Okay.
comfortably. So it's just a start. I'm
Uh-huh.
learning it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, what are some ways that you use to learn languages? YouTube, or do you study online? Or...
YouTube is, I personally think, is an amazing platform,
Uh-huh.
and you can find anything over there.
Hmm.
So there are lectures,
Hmm.
and there is a channel, and I follow that channel, and I
Good.
take different lectures on daily basis.
Perfect. Well, that's nice. And it's good that you're consistent with it and always learning, probably even when you don't want to.
Yes.
Do you have free time on Sundays? Well, for you, Sundays are like Mondays for us, right?
Uh, yes, for me, every day is Sunday.
That's
Yes.
funny. So, what about your Saturdays? Do you have a lot of free time on Saturday?
Uh, Nowadays, I don't have anything to do. I have a lot of time every day.
Okay, before the virus, were you busier on weekdays or weekends?
Before the virus, as I am in Saudi Arabia, so we have Friday and Saturday off,
Yeah,
and Sunday is our working day.
yeah.
So on Friday and Saturday, we relax,
Hmm.
we just wind down, and we have sometimes fun. We go shopping. That's all.
Nice. Well, that sounds relaxing. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I like to watch movies, and I prefer to watch English movies. And the, the movies which are related to science fiction, I like
Okay,
them most.
nice. Can you give me an example of some movies that you like?
Uh, I watched Lucy, is my favorite movie, Lucy,
Okay.
and anything which talks about the multiverse, I
Mhm.
like that. Even if it is a series, TV series, or
Interesting. Okay. During your normal schedule, what time of the day did you have the most free time? In the mornings, evenings, or afternoons?
uh, when I was working, I used to come at 3 o'clock
Hmm.
and from my work, and I have time in the evening.
Okay, that's nice. 3 o'clock is a good time to get off work. What did you do last summer vacation?
Last summer vacation, I was in Pakistan.
Hmm.
in my country. So in that vacation, I was also working. I still remember. Yes, I was teaching at that time.
Oh, so you worked all year long?
Yes.
That's sad. Did you get any sort of a break or vacation last year?
Uh, no, I don't think so because I was teaching in a college and
Mhm.
I had a vacation from there, but I utilized that vacation in working somewhere else.
Oh, well, that's very good of you. Very hard worker.
I take it as a compliment.
Yeah, no, that's a lot of commitment and drive for your work to choose to do that during your vacation. If you could go on vacation right now, where would you want to go?
Turkey,
Why?
because I have heard from my colleagues, my social circle talk about it a lot.
Uh-huh.
That it's very good, it's very beautiful. People are very friendly,
Yeah.
they are helpful. So that's why.
Nice.
And
Yes.
most importantly,
Mhm.
uh, there is a Turkish drama which is very popular these days.
Okay.
Uh, so that's why I also
I,
want to go.
yes, I think most of my students in Saudi Arabia, Turkey is the first place that they visit. I always ask them like,
Okay.
"Oh, have you been out of the country?" And they're like, "Yeah, to Turkey." What hobbies do you have? And you can say the ones now or the ones before the virus, whichever you prefer.
Okay. So I like reading books,
Hmm.
and nowadays I'm not reading at all
Oh, really?
because now I'm busy in some doing something else.
Hmm.
But previously I was reading continuously and regularly.
Yeah.
And although I didn't have time at before the coronavirus,
Hmm.
still I managed to take out time to read. But now I have a lot of time, but it's still I'm not reading.
I understand that. I'm not reading right now either. I used to only read my university books because I would have so much to read each week that I didn't want to read for pleasure after that. And now I'm on my summer vacation, but I don't want to read during summer vacation because I know that next year I'm just going to have to read so much again. Do you have many siblings?
I have five sisters,
Okay.
and yes, I'm the youngest,
Okay.
and so they all are married.
Okay.
Even I am married. Yes.
Nice. Yeah, I'm the opposite of you. I have five brothers.
Oh, what a coincidence!
Yeah, no sisters. Um,
And you are the youngest?
no, I'm actually the second oldest. So one
Okay.
older, four younger.
So you would be very much special for your brothers.
Everybody thinks that.
Okay.
I don't feel like that.
Okay.
They like to treat me just like another one of the boys. Like just they would expect me to come play video games with them, or if they got a new car, they wanted me to come and talk about their car with them. Like I was one of the boys.
Okay. Okay.
I think they didn't know what to do with a sister.
Yes, you're right.
But it's good because now I'm engaged, so my fiance loves that I know how to play video games with him.
Your brothers are still in your home country?
Yeah, they all live in the United States. Um, one is getting married later this year to my best friend, which is another
Okay.
downside. Yes, they always dated my friends because we are all close in age. And so when my friends would
Okay.
come over, they're like, "Oh, she's cute." And
is is